have a program too. One of my programs is I'm going to create more towns, business centers in Poland. We want other tribes to come and invest in Igbo land. Good. We want, please take it note, I'm appealing. We have helped to develop Lagos. We have helped to develop other parts of Nigeria. During my tenure as the President General and as the leader of Igbo, I'm calling on other people to come and reciprocate. They should come and develop Igbo land. If they have any problem, I'm promising them, if any entrepreneur who wants to invest in Igbo land comes and have problem acquiring with any government, he should report to Ohanaeze. Ohanaeze will interfere and make sure he gets land and is encouraged to invest and develop Igbo land.